Hello student, good afternoon. I am Mr. Siddiqui. Today I am going to discuss the chemistry of ninth class and the topic is particle nature and their basic unit. In NCERT book, it is related to atoms and molecule, that is chapter 3rd, unit 3rd, because according to revised syllabus of CBSE, the topic name is given as particle nature and their basic unit, but it is related to atoms and molecules, chapter 3rd in NCERT book. Subtopic is atom. First of all, what is atom? Smallest indivisible part of matter is known as atom. Indivisible which cannot be divided, मैटर का जो सबसे छोटा पार्ट है जिसको हम फर्दर डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज एटम. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी टेक अ मैटर, it is divided into smallest part, fine parts, and the fine part which are indivisible and invisible is known as atom. So this is atom of matter. So smallest individual part of matter is known as atom, or smallest indivisible part of element is also known as atom. Take an element and divide into fine parts, and the smallest part of element is known as atom. So atom, smallest individual part of matter, may be atom. Smallest individual part of element may be atom. So you are required to define in both the way. Atoms has all chemical properties of elements. All atom in an element have all chemical properties like elements. Symbol of atom is same as element. For example, take a hydrogen element. Smallest is hydrogen atom. Smallest atom is hydrogen atom. Hydrogen element, the smallest part is hydrogen atom. Atom is a building block of element. All atoms are identical in elements. It means the symbol of hydrogen in an element is H, and symbol of hydrogen atom is H, because atom has all properties of element. So the symbol of element is same as the symbol of atom. Like hydrogen element, the symbol is capital S. Hydrogen atom, the symbol is capital S. Atom is a building block of element. Just like in biology, cell is the smallest functional and fundamental unit of an organism. So all atoms are identical in an element. It means atom has, all atom in an element has same mass, same shape and same size. Next point related to atom, it is a pure form of element. Atom is a pure form of element. With the help of radius of an element of an atom, we can measure the shape of the atom. Generally, atoms are spherical in shape. Smallest size is for hydrogen atom. Atom composed of electrons, protons and neutrons. Generally, atom is represented in this way. Suppose hydrogen, this is hydrogen atom. In hydrogen elements, all atoms are identical in shape, identical in size and identical in mass. Next topic is molecules. Subtopic is molecules. Combination of atoms is called molecules. Molecules may contain same type of atom and different type of atom. For example, H2, this is hydrogen molecule which contains same type of atom. It contains two hydrogen atom which is bonded with a line. Next, different type of atom, that is H2O. It contains oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is known as molecule of element because it contains same type of atom, and this is known as molecule of compound because it contains different types of atom. So it is called molecule of element. And this is called molecule of compound. So if molecule contains same type of atom, then it is known as molecule of element. Or if it contains different types of atom, then it is called molecule of compound. So combination of atom is called molecule. Hydrogen atom combined with another hydrogen atom and it forms hydrogen molecule. This is hydrogen molecule. One atom of hydrogen combined with another atom of hydrogen and form hydrogen molecule, and it is represented as H2. Okay, so this is hydrogen molecule. In case of H2O, two hydrogen atom combined with one oxygen atom and form H2O. This is molecule of compound because it contains two different types of atom, that is hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Next point, how to differentiate atom and molecule. So atom and molecule, it is divided by a vertical line. We can differentiate with the help of following point. Smallest part of element, atom is the smallest part of element and it is formed by the combination of atom. Second point, no independent existence but it has independent existence. Third point, it is unstable. Molecule, it is stable. Fourth point, no chemical bond. In molecule, it has chemical bond because one atom combined with another atom and it form a chemical bond. This is a chemical bond. For example, this is hydrogen atom, this is hydrogen atom combined with each other and form H2 and it form a bond between two hydrogen atom. So smallest part of element is atom. It is formed by the combination of atom, that is smallest part is atom. Combination of atom, no independent existence but molecule has independent existence because atom are more reactive. It is stable. It is unstable but it is stable. No chemical bond. There is no chemical bond in atom, but in a molecule there is a chemical bond. Okay. So with the help of following point, we can easily differentiate between atom and molecule. In next video, I will discuss atomic mass and molecular mass. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.